In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a template and theme file in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to standardize your presentations with a specific design or share your unique theme with others, exporting these files is an essential skill. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Make sure the program is up to date so you can follow along with the latest features. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll want to either open an existing presentation or start creating a new one. Add your preferred photos, tables, and any other content you need that will form the base of your template. This groundwork is crucial as it allows the template to be filled with the right elements, ensuring consistency when reused. Now, to export your presentation as a PowerPoint template, you'll want to have your completed presentation ready. Begin by heading over to the File tab, located at the top left corner of the screen, and clicking Save As. Here's where you'll decide where you want to save your file. Click on Browse and PowerPoint will navigate you straight to the Custom Office Templates folder. This is a convenient feature as it organizes all your templates right where they belong, making them easy to find later when you're starting a new presentation. Once you're in the correct folder, take a look at the Save as Type drop-down menu. You'll want to select PowerPoint Template, which has the file extension pptx. This format preserves your template's layout, colors, fonts, and any content you've prepared. It's an essential step because choosing the right file type is what allows your template to be reused efficiently. Don't forget to give your template a distinct name to ensure it stands out, something that will jog your memory in the future about what this template includes. With your name picked out, go ahead and click Save. Congratulations, your template is ready. Now, let's move on to exporting a theme. For this, you'll need to switch over to the Design tab in PowerPoint. This is where you can see all the themes available to you. Click the drop-down arrow on the Themes gallery. From there, you'll want to select Save Current Theme. This will preserve your theme's colors, fonts, effects, and background styles. It's a concise way to keep everything looking consistent across multiple presentations. Name your theme with a memorable title and click Save. By default, this saves the theme as a .txmx file in the correct folder, ensuring it is immediately accessible for any future projects. And that's it. You've successfully exported both a template and a theme in PowerPoint. Having these files on hand not only enhances efficiency, but also establishes a cohesive look for your presentations. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!